What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Matt's Market. Thank you for sitting patiently while I set up the rest of the stream, guys. Sorry I'm rocking a little bit late tonight. Had a lot of stuff going on around the house. Nonetheless, I am happy to be reporting to you guys $2.80 on ADA, and it is absolutely popping right here on ADA. We got the 5-minute charts pulled up here, and it's just beautiful, beautiful little flag waving in the wind right here. 285 was the high right here, 285, 27. So, man, everything is coming back, guys. It is looking great. There's a whole bunch of people that are calling for major moves coming to Bitcoin this week. So we'll have to see what happens, but everything's looking pretty bullish for the short term here, guys. I think we got some green flags ready to roll. So we'll be breaking down that, going over some news pieces, and talking some crypto, guys. But what's going on, Rick? Thank you very much for tuning in. Mrs. Postal, how you doing? What's up, Brandon? Crypto Critter, Crypto Visions, what's happening, man? Thank y'all for tuning in. I took the day to be lazy today. I was watching the charts. I didn't see nothing significant happening with Dogecoin, so I kind of just chilled out. I was watching ADA absolutely tear apart the market, up a whole 12.35%. And we see these major moves that are coming in on the heels of the smart contract release for September 12th, the Alonzo upgrade. And it's going to make ADA that much more useful, guys. You'll be able to buy crypto off the ADA network. It'll make buying your crypto that much cheaper. They'll probably have some NFT projects going on. There'll be a lot of great things coming into ADA. So that's why you're seeing this price increase like this. We've been talking about it for a couple months now. And guys, we might be on track for $5 ADA coming soon. So definitely keep everybody posted what we're seeing in the charts. But man, the charts are rocking right here, guys. Absolutely rocking. I mean, this RSI 87 right here, 84 right here. I mean, everything is just popping right now, guys. Let me send this little tweet out real quick. I'll get that message out. Crypto Visions, man, did you I saw you hit 400 today, man. Congrats, man. Extremely happy for you, my friend. I'm just putting out a little finishing, hitting the Discord, letting them know we live. So yeah, guys, if anybody was buying these dips on ADA the past couple months, you were sitting absolutely nice. The past 2 weeks we're up over 100%, and ADA is just absolutely rocking, guys. I know a lot of people got out around that 240 range, and they weren't expecting it to do what it's doing right now, but nonetheless, ADA is going to be rocking for the next, I would have to say, for a couple weeks, guys. I think we might end up seeing some pullback here. We got strong support at 273, but if ADA keeps doing what it's doing, crypto is going to follow suit, man. We saw Bitcoin hit a total U-turn today, and that was very good news. I think that's off the heels of ADA, and like we've been saying for the past week or two, we thought ADA was going to absolutely lift the market, and that's what it's doing right now. It's lifting the entire crypto market off its heels and getting it moving back in the right direction right now. Oh, you hit it like 9 times today? Yeah, it's weird, dude. It really is. The algorithm plays with everything, so it's definitely weird how it goes. GP says hello. Mrs. Postal, tell GP hello for me, and if he's on the mic tonight, I'm not gonna be on super late tonight. I would definitely be tuning in to his broadcast and having him tuck me in tonight. That is my man right there. Bitcoin about to hit 50K. Let's check it out, man. Yeah, they got talks. Bitcoin 55 to 60. Some point 55 this week, and that's coming from a lot of people in the community. So there's a lot of talks right now. Major moves on Bitcoin. We're about to see here in probably the next 5-minute candle if we can get that break. I think you'll really start to see some FOMO kick in above 50. That's a huge, huge psychological level for the crypto market, especially with Bitcoin. Oh, he just got off the air? I wish I'd have known. I'd have definitely been tuning in. Here we go, guys. 50K. We got the break right here. We got the break. Let's see if we can hold it. 5-minute candle, open and close over it. Will signify the break. It shot all the way to 51.16 right there. Like, that's what I'm saying. When you get those technical breakout levels right here, you can absolutely rip. And wow, guys, let's see what happens here. What's up, Alex? How you doing, man? We just watched Bitcoin pop over 50K for the first time since May. It's looking very bullish right now, guys. Let's get this hold over 50 right here. Let me send out that alert. 50K Bitcoin. That's cool. Last night we turned on the stream, had a pretty massive dip. Turn on the stream tonight, Bitcoin pops 50K for the first time in months. That's awesome. See what the whales do right here. The whales control Bitcoin, so we're about to see if they want it over 50K right here. Look at that sell, guys. Wow. Look at that. Let's see if this candle can reverse. What's up, OMG? July 26, 2020, I bought 8 at 15 cents. Very good move. Very, very good move. You're sitting on some beautiful tennies if you're still holding that. I know this because I'm sitting on some beautiful tennies and I bought back in March. But guys, I'm looking at the realization, like, I'm playing this bull run this year. I'm expecting a pretty good pullback in the market after all this really goes down again. And I'm going to capitalize. I'm going to try to get rid of I'm trying to take profits toward the top end of everything this year. So, but for the meantime, I think we got the green light for the short term. Boy, I would have loved to see a major move for Bitcoin right there. I mean, a break over 50, you could shoot up pretty fast, guys. Let's go to a 4-hour chart, check it out, see what's going on. What's up, Mark Garcia? How you doing, man? That is crazy, Alex. That is absolutely insane, man. 12 million short at 50K. I think you'll see 51 really, really fast, guys. If we break over, I mean, you saw that pop right after it hit 50, it shot to 51.16 and got rejected. I mean, that was super fast. So after that, I mean, you can realistically, I mean, between 51 and 53, there ain't much in the way, guys. So we're getting shorted down right here. Let's get back to the 5-minute candles. See what this next 5-minute candle does for Bitcoin. I mean, if they're shorting it, they're in and out quick, I would think. Because 49.662 right there. We're going back for another test right here. This might be the 5-minute candle that gets us over the hump, guys. Mark Garcia, Doge needs to have another rise. It will, my friend. It's going to lag the market a little bit, man. It's been doing that. IBK, would the big picture be a cup and handle? Let's go to the daily chart and see what you're talking about. Yeah, could be a big cup and handle forming, dude. Honestly, I was thinking that's what crypto would do in the long term, man. To finish out this bull cycle would be a big ass cup and handle. And I think that's what we're getting, man. We're getting that break right here. 50K again. Is this the candle to hold us over it? $50K right there. Still showing signs of rejection right there. IBK, man, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button for me, man. I greatly, greatly appreciate it. Hope you stick around the community. We talk crypto a lot over here, man. Love to have you. Just waiting to see what happens here with Bitcoin, guys. I think we'll get the break. We got the 14-day moving average. We're bouncing off that moving average. You saw this really hardcore short they just had on Bitcoin right here. Popped right back up to that 14-day moving average. Next green candle, next 5-minute candles turning out green. We're within a really tight wedge right here between the 14 and that level of resistance. But we're ascending pretty good right here, guys. I would be surprised if we don't get this break over 50K. And then right there, I mean, it's really going to make some moves, guys. I mean, we shot up to 5119 really fast. So we're waiting to see. Thank you, IBK. Thank you very much, my man. OMG dropped the Discord, so if anybody wants to join the Discord, 100% free, guys. Make sure y'all hop in there. But man, Bitcoin doing its thing today. After this reverse, having ADA really bring up the whole market, get the market popping again. We're going to have some pops tomorrow, Rick. I don't know if you're still holding your HUT, but I think HUT's going to be a very good play tomorrow. Riot's going to be on point. Depending how the market holds up before 4 a.m., I'm going to be throwing something again for a quick swing trade on either HUT, Riot, or Mara. And those are all mining companies for the guys that don't know. Just a stock play that's closely tied to cryptocurrency. What's up, Thomas Harris? How you doing, my man? We got Robert Dean in the chat. Thank you guys for tuning in. So y'all remember last night when I hit the live stream, we had that sell-off on Doge. Well, tonight I hit the live button and we're breaking 50K briefly. Looking to retest it here again. Let's see what happens. OMG says holding HUT till Bitcoin hits 100K. Make some pretty nice tendies if when we see that. Guarantee you. Mark Garcia, what plays you have, man? You have Doge, ADA, what you got, man? Looks like we're gonna get that retest right here, guys. I think we're gonna get it. Touching that 50K. Next 5-minute candle. Let's see what happens here. How many AMC shares do I have, man? I got a couple left, dude. I ended up taking profits off of it, my man. Matt, cut the stream and relaunch, make Bitcoin 51K. That would do it, my friend. We about to hit 50,100 bucks. And there's not much in the way of 51,000, my friend. And we'll hit some headway at 51, but after 51 and 53, dude, you could easily pop back to 53 really fast, guys. Doge starting to rise a little bit off this price action. Let's see if we get rejected at 51.19 again. Yep, good to see everybody in the chat tonight. Pretty cool, man. First time since May we're seeing this level on Bitcoin, man. We have been waiting on it. Waiting in anticipation. I've been watching a couple streams today, and all these big YouTubers and a lot of big people in the community were calling for some pretty significant rises to Bitcoin, and the price action we're seeing right here might validate that, you know, what they're saying has some weight, guys. So they're talking anywhere between 60 and 65. Here we go. We're getting a little run on Bitcoin. We broke past that 119, and there's not much in the way, guys. There's not much in the way. Let's see what we hit. Let's see what traffic we get. There we go. 5270. Reloading again. Let's see what happens. Dude, Bitcoin is ripping. We got the RSI. Man, look at the RSI. 68 on Bitcoin. I haven't seen that in a while. We got ADA 282. I'm going to pull back up the ticker symbol here in a second. I'm just watching this 5-minute candle making break right here. Dude, we're getting some nice price action on Bitcoin right now. We started at 8 live stream, and right when we clicked it, Kale, Bitcoin broke above 50, dude. And we've seen some nice price action, dude. There's not much in the way of 51. And that's a psychological level. That is a really big level for Bitcoin, guys. Go back to the 4-hour chart. You got to zoom way out to get any levels. So you can see 51. So after this level, I think we're off to 51, guys. I think we're off to 51. If we can get a break over this 200, 250 range, it's going to start moving. Look at the RSI popping out the band, 74. It's okay if it cools off. I want to see it open and close above 50K right here. Signify a true break. Thomas Harris says, seen on Twitter, a whale dumped a lot of Bitcoin at 49K and everyone else bought it up. Well, Rick reported off of Whale Trades, he said a $12 million short came in right at 50,000. And that was this candle right here. That was 10 minutes ago, a little over 10 minutes. What's up, Jen? I had to sell you ADA earlier. I wanted to wait, but I couldn't. I'm sorry to hear that. Hopefully you made some tendies off the play, and that's what's important. That is all that's important, that you're making tendies off your plays. I think Ernesto ended up dumping some of his ADA, and I saw his comment earlier. He got left at the train station. But, we got Ethereum 33 over 33. I didn't even see that watching Bitcoin so closely. Next 5-minute candle. And guys, we're smooth sailing right here. We get this break over this 250 range. Man, there's not much in the way, guys. There's not much in the way. Let's see what happens. Oh, you could have made it much better if you'd have waited 4 hours. What's up, Ernesto? Just talking about you, my friend. Watching Bitcoin break 50K, guys, man, that feels good. On the heels of the House coming back to vote on the infrastructure bill tomorrow, this looks very good. And crypto's been doing some weird stuff lately. Like, you know, you have bad news pumping up and this thing's ripping. You get some good news, it does nothing and bleeds off, you know. So big level around this 250 range, guys. Big level around 250. 50,000, 250. Tell me why you holding on your drink, man. You should be on the floor, don't you think, man? Why come to the club and just stand around? Kind of dumb to me, you should be getting. Well, it's just important, Jen, that you made some profits. Man, just give it a chance. Oh, you one of those cats Make sure you get that Coinbase card, Jen. That's going to help you out significantly. What's up, Nola TN? Hopefully you're chilling down there in New Orleans, man. Thanks for tuning in, dude. Everything is coming back, guys. It is coming back. Let's check out some ADA real quick because that's the baby. That's our play right now. 283, looking really, really great, guys. 285, we get that break. Who knows where this thing is going? I think we'll see $3 incoming. You get over this line right here. It's actually a little bit down. Right there. Boom. We cross over this level of resistance. And guys, we might actually get that break. It could definitely hit. There's not much. I would like to see it move in 5-cent increments. I think you could push up to 290 real quick. I think $3 will be a pretty. You might see some selling pressure at $3. People are watching ADA very closely, y'all. This is sitting at all-time highs right here. So we do believe where it's going. I believe it's going $5 to $10, but there's a lot of people that are predicting that the remainder of the bull cycle is going to play itself out in the next couple weeks, like not months. They're talking weeks. And I don't know if that's true or not. I'm just telling y'all what I'm hearing in the market, what sentiment I'm gathering. But people are expecting some major moves, and they're talking this week, and it could quite possibly happen. I mean, we're finally seeing Bitcoin hit 50K, first time since May. And that was, sell in May and walk away type stuff. And we're finally back to some previous levels where crypto's moving and people are making profits again. And you're going to start to get some FOMO popping in shortly, guys. If we're haven't seen some already. So I know Dogecoin, people are asking, like, why isn't Dogecoin moving? It's lagging behind. It lagged behind when Bitcoin was trading in the low 40,000, started making them moves up. So it is going to lag. I do think you'll see, if we continue this trend on crypto, you'll start to see Dogecoin have another 10-15% day while everything's kind of 2%, 3% up. You'll see Dogecoin kind of separate itself from the pack and catch up to everything. I do think that's in the works for Dogecoin. Come here shortly if we continue this track with the rest of crypto. So, what's up, Heed? How you doing, my man? Thanks for tuning in. What's up, Pablo? Hey, man, you think Doge is going to pump tonight? I think you'll see a slow and steady rise on Doge, man, until we get this big pop for it to catch back up with the rest of the market. I mean, you see Ethereum up just slightly. I mean, crypto hit a U-turn today when ADA started doing its thing, man. Everything was down a little bit, and ADA was up like 4 or 5%, and then it just started rocking. Currently up almost 14% on the day, man. So it's been absolutely doing its thing. I do think Dogecoin is lagging behind. Even Ethereum might be lagging behind a little bit. XRP. The rest of the altcoins are, not really moving too significantly. And I do think you continue that trend. You start getting Bitcoin 51,000, anywhere between there and 53. You're going to get a lot of people excited again about crypto. And you're going to start to see some FOMO kick in here shortly, guys. Oh, yeah, he's sitting tight, OMG. 10 Bitcoin that cost you 10K for all 10. You're buying Bitcoin at 1,000 a coin. Jen, I'd have sold them all at 60K. Not just one. Let's see what Bitcoin's doing. We still got it over 50. I need to put the ticker back up. I might change that XRP because Bitcoin is really moving right now. Yep, still trading around at, so you can see that 50,275 is that mark right here. There's not much between that and 51,000. There is not much on the charts. What we're reading, there's not much in the way. So it could easily, if we get this technical breakout over 50,272. I mean, we might hit some traffic around 50,500. I like them even numbers, but we'll see where it. Hopefully we get the break over this top again, and we'll push a little bit higher tonight. Start pushing Dogecoin. Dogecoin's starting to move 32 cents. If you think crypto is going to continue this uptrend, I think you might see 33-cent Doge incoming if this trend continues into tomorrow morning. But tomorrow morning, guys, I think the plays in the stock market are going to be HUT, Riot, and Mara, the mining crypto stocks that are going to make you some pretty nice tendies. You could possibly see 50, not 50, anywhere between 10 and 20% on some of them plays tomorrow if we continue. OMG. No way, Bitcoin's going to make me a millionaire. Not selling. What's up, Bear? What's going on, man? Watching Bitcoin break 50K. Doge creeping up a little bit. We got ADA doing his thing, man. Bear, I hope you bought into some Cardano, man, when we were talking about it. Lollipop. Wow, 50K Bitcoin. What's up, man? Yeah, we finally got some action back on the screen, man. Getting some people hyped up about crypto again. Let's check out ADA, and then I want to pop over to Doge, see what's happening in the Doge community. So, kind of might be getting rejected right here. 282. So back testing that level of resistance on Doge on the 5-minute chart. What's up, Ben Collins? Go Bitcoin, dude. It's moving, man. She's moving. Let's hang out here for a second, see what happens with Bitcoin. I mean, with Dogecoin right here. $32.04. It's not really moving. I know my ticker ain't froze too because I just saw it go up. 32.06. I'm holding 438 at around $1.26. Yeah, bro. I'm bummed I didn't get into 500 coins before this rip. That's how it happens, though, man. Thing is, we were seeing the rip, dude, and we called it, man. We're gonna keep calling them over here too, man. Doge looking bullish right here. Only hopped on the ADA bandwagon because of this channel. Hey, man, that's it. Community-based thing, man. Dogecoin getting a pretty good breakout right here. 32.07. What's up, D-Grade? Watching crypto move, my friend. It's looking nice right now, dude. $32.08 on Doge, $33.24 on Ethereum. I bet you Bitcoin's starting to rock again. Let's see. It's sitting at a level where we could easily move up pretty quick on some Bitcoin. So still trying to get over this 50,272 level. I think when we break that, it's gonna rip, guys. I'm almost gonna have to wake up pre-market and get some Riot or Mara or HUT 8 mining. Those stocks are gonna be making some moves tomorrow, guys. They're gonna be making some pretty good moves. We're gonna touch base on them stocks before we hop off tonight. Come on, Doge, 35 cents before bed. If it starts moving like ADA and Bitcoin, you see some pretty good moves, but I think Doge is gonna slack behind for a little bit. Everything hot tonight. Let's go cryptocurrency. Thank you very much, Robert Dean, for tuning in. We got a super chat coming in hot from River Bear, $5 super chat. Pay the plug. Go Doge. Thank you very much, Bear, for that super chat, man. Can't wait to see you down in October 9th for Dojapalooza, man. We're gonna have a great time down there together, man. Thomas Harris saying 32.3 at midnight. What's up, Pablo? 40 cents this week. Hey, they're calling for some major moves for crypto this week. And we're on the heels of the infrastructure, the House voting on it tomorrow. So, like, man, it's just, the market's doing its own thing right here, guys. But Pablo, I see you're new to the channel, man. If you could, hit that subscribe button for me. I'd greatly appreciate it, man. Hang out with the community. Well, if you agree on that, that would be a pretty good 32 to 40, man. I know what you're investing for. It's not out of the question, my friend. I'm trying to hang around Bitcoin to see if we get the technical breakout. I'm probably pause the stream here for a second, and I'm gonna change XRP because it ain't doing nothing. Give me 1 second, guys. I'm gonna change that to I'm gonna change that XRP to Bitcoin. All right, sorry about that. Dogecoin doing a little thing, man. Dude, 32.20. What the heck's going on over here? ADA getting a retest of that 14-day moving average. If we get some pop, get the next 5-minute candle green, I think we'll head up to make some new all-time highs here shortly. Crypto's moving, man. Look at Doge. Doge catching up to the rest of the market right here. 32.26 was the high right here, and we're touching that level of resistance, so let's see what happens. OMG dropping the Discord, guys. If y'all want to join, go ahead and hop in. It's not going to be free forever. It'll be free for the people who've been in the channel for the longest. Well, everybody who's in now, but we'll be changing that here shortly. Doge got long. Awesome, man. Yeah, you see that price reflected. Doge making some moves, guys. I think everybody's getting excited, man. That 50K on Bitcoin is psychological, man. It's all in the brain. If people start getting really excited across the whole market, that could easily have put us back in this channel between 32.26 and 32.75, which we are entering right now. Dr. Derbs, thank you for joining the Discord, my man. Thank you for tuning in to the live stream. Pablo says, subscribe, bro. I like the vibes. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciate it, man. We're a small, tight community. Love to have you join it, man. Thank you very much, Pablo. What's up, Daniel? I sold some ADA. I don't blame you, dude. I don't blame you one bit. You sitting at some all-time highs, man. Doge is rocking, dude. 32.32. The magic number we saw the other night. Doge is rocking, guys. You popping out the RSI band right here. It's sitting around 80. So things are rocking. Doge starting to catch up. Let me pull back up some ADA real quick. Getting rejected. ADA having some pullback here. So had trouble even getting back up to $2.85. Give me 1 second right here. All right, sorry about that. Robert Dean says, smash that like button, hit the subscribe for notifications. Stay up to date on the latest moves in crypto. Thank you very much, Robert Dean. Well, hope my 0.323 prediction at midnight is way wrong. Let's see Doge real quick. I hope we don't see ADA at least go back to $2.75, that 50-day moving average, before we see a decent pop, guys. We are trading all-time highs. You got really strong support at 273. So if you're looking for a quick swing trade at the top, I look for a bounce somewhere within this 273 to 275 range. It's completely up to you. Just remember, you're trading at all-time highs right here. Doge having some pullback. Yep, just slightly. Look at Ethereum, dude. I didn't even see that, man. Ethereum having nice little pops right here. Up 3% on the day. I think Dogecoin could be loading up right here. So let's see what happens, guys. Sorry, I was checking my charts on my account right here. Matic, what's Matic doing, man? It's moving. It's a Polygon. Up 3%, Matic moving. Matic's doing what Matic does. Waiting to see what kind of pullback we're going to see across the board from this major run-up, man. Yeah, Robert Dean, he grinds, man. He definitely grinds. Let's see what's about to happen here on ADA. Why is it doing this? Doge hopping below 32. We're seeing some pullback, guys. So yeah, we could quite possibly see a retest of that 50-day moving average on ADA. Might be coming up. Bitcoin dropping right below 50 right now. We're seeing some pullback, guys. Whale alert. Bitcoin. What they got on OMG? What they talking about? Let me see. Check well trades real quick. Yep. 1.5 million Bitcoin shorted. 49,982. Ethereum shorted. Same time. 2 minutes ago, 2.5 million Bitcoin shorted. Yeah, they're shorting back down. 10 minutes ago, we had Dogecoin longed. 500,000. So what's y'all thoughts, guys? Y'all think we're gonna continue to see crypto run for the rest of the week, or I think it'll be a pretty decent week for crypto. I really do. We're seeing Bitcoin briefly pop over 50,000 right here, especially after all them shorts. Crypto Vision's throwing some rockets. Trying to see what ADA is doing right here. Yeah, I was hoping to see Doge hold above 32. ADA's dropping a little bit, but 278 right there. I just saw it. Ethereum holding up pretty good, 33.35. Bitcoin staying above 50K, so that's a good sign right now. I want to see it hold up overnight above 50K, and those HUD mining stocks and all that stuff is going to be absolutely popping. Ernesto, you think it's going to be buy the hype, sell the news smart on ADA smart contracts? I don't, man. I think you'll see it kind of like the Ethereum hard fork, man. That's honestly what I think is going to happen with Cardano when they release them, man. I think the only thing that could hurt it, well, there's two factors: the infrastructure bill, and if they delay the release, I think you might see a little drop in price. But we'll have to see what goes down. I think they'll be releasing on the 12th. They want to make a big deal out of this. And to do that, they're going to have to be on point, having it released on time. So I'm not too concerned about the time as I am about the infrastructure that's being voted on in the House tomorrow. Quite possibly. So we'll have to see what happens. Ernesto, you sold 100% of your ADA? Just wondering, man. Got Doge moving above 32 cents right here. You got the whales just playing with it right now, guys. Nothing significant. You might have a couple of swing traders playing with it too, but the whales are controlling the market. 3204 Doge, 278 ADA. I think you might get a retest of 275 on ADA right here, guys. 3344 Ethereum moving up. And Bitcoin moving up almost 50,100 right here. What time is the vote? I don't know if they might debate. They go back to debate it, so they might make some changes. It's not 100% tomorrow if the vote will actually be held. but they'll be back in session tomorrow. Sold 95%. Hopefully you made some pretty decent tendies, man. Yeah, we're getting the volume. The RSI has to cool off, guys. We're seeing the RSI currently at 49. I mean, we were popping way out, 84. So seeing a pullback after that run up and not getting that break over this top right here doesn't alarm me at all. I want to see a bounce off this 50-day moving average or some type of consolidation within this range right here. So guys, we could quite possibly be looking at 50 to 55K Bitcoin this week if everything keeps rolling good. And a lot of the sentiment in the market is that we're heading for some major moves. I saw OMG posted something in the Discord earlier, a Bitcoin article. It was right before I hopped on. I didn't get to look at it, but I saw the article and it pretty much fits the narrative of Bitcoin moving. I just saw you tweet, Jen. Let's see how Bitcoin is preparing for explosive bullish break. So I'm gonna definitely check that out. If y'all in the Discord, make sure to look at it. Top 5 cryptocurrencies to watch: Bitcoin, ADA, AVAX, Cake, and Atom. I'll look at all the news pieces that y'all dropped. I hope so, Ernesto. Are you starting your new job tomorrow, man? They're doing the Bitcoin pump crowd on Twitter. Just think about this. You get Bitcoin 50 to 55, and then Tesla accepts it again and just rockets it over 64. That could be how you're looking at 100K Bitcoin this year. I think it's going to happen soon. And guys, looks like we're going back to retest that 50-day moving average. So if you were swing trading, that would have been a pretty decent swing trade right here, I do believe. I think you'll get this bounce off this 50-day at 275. And we are retesting that here shortly. Oh, I got you next Monday. Daniel says I sold half. I just saw that, my man. Half your ADA. There's nothing wrong with that, man. You're sitting at all-time highs right now at this time period. The all-time high was made, hour or two ago at 285. But looks like we're getting this bounce right here. Best case scenario, I'd like to see this candle completely reverse and then start to climb back up to retest this 14-day moving average. I think we'll see $3 ADA this week. I really do. So that candle's starting to correct itself off that level of support. That's why it's important to incorporate your moving averages with your chart reading, guys. RSI is cooled off. Is she getting prepared for another spring action load? Quite possibly. Sitting at 41 on the RSI. We got BD Trading in the house, calling 250 ADA. Hey, it's possible, man. It's possible. If this is the top and we can't get over it, 250 is right. You got a lot of support around that 250 range, man. Dude, I was really extremely surprised to see it today, man. Hit 285. and it's great to see Bitcoin back above 50K. Man, a lot of people expecting some big moves this week for Bitcoin and for crypto. So let's hope it's a great week for everybody. We know we got the infrastructure bill coming in, so anything could happen this week. It's things are starting to heat up again. So currently we got 31.99 hopping underneath 32 on Doge on short term. 278, pretty good bounce off that 275, 276 right now off this 50-day moving average. We're getting that bounce. Ethereum holding up pretty well. Started to move, not quite dipping as much. I'll pull up the chart here in a second, but we're getting Bitcoin getting played with again. The whales are controlling the market right now. Just the way it goes. Pleasantly surprised. I am too, man. I didn't think it was gonna happen that quick, dude. I know me and you were talking about ADA when it started crossing 205 and stuff like that, and it was like, whoa, what's going on, man? Like, this thing's really doing its thing. And dude, I guess it's surreal to me because I've been talking about ADA for like 4 months now, 3-4 months. We saw it at $1. We saw it rip to its all-time high the last bull cycle back in May. And then I rode it all the way back down. And to see it doing its thing again, man, I'm very pleased with it. Very happy. Very happy I bought those dips for the past 3 months. I really am, guys. So pretty much riding that support right there. I'm going to check here in a second to see if we're actually getting some shorting going on in the market. So seeing that 5-minute candle reverse right there. Let me check well trades real quick. Two minutes ago, you had 1 million ADA long. Oh, another 1.2 million ADA long. Yeah, ADA is definitely going to bounce, dude. You got multiple $1 million ADAs being longed 3 minutes ago. Wow. Yeah, that's, according to whale traders, between the last 4 minutes, you had a lot of stuff getting longed. IBK, man. Alchemy Pay just got listed on Coinbase the other day, and I know it made some pretty significant moves, my friend. I can't really break it down for you, dude, because I don't know enough about it. I have been meaning to look into the coin. Just with over 3,000 cryptos out there, it's hard to really do the research for each one. If you join the Discord, my man, I'll definitely take a look at Alchemy Pay for you. I know it ripped pretty good right when it got listed on Coinbase. I saw it at 7 cents, and then it shot up to 27, 28, and then came all the way back down to 7, 8 cents again. And I haven't looked at it since, my man. Is that something you are currently in right now, though?
Tell me why you holding on your drink, man. You should be on the floor, don't you think, man? Why come to the club and just stand around? Kinda dumb to me, you should be getting down. Do me a favor, you see that 80 over there?
Up 22% on a day at 12 cents. So, yeah, man. From what I saw from Alchemy Pay, you could definitely some upside to it, man. I'm seeing Coin Market Cap. They're reporting. Okay, it just updated. 1328 is what I'm seeing. I don't know enough about it, dude, but I can't tell you this, that if crypto keeps moving, they'll definitely keep moving, man. But what got me intrigued about it, I saw the day it got listed on Coinbase, and it was 7 cents, and it absolutely ripped the day after that. So There's definitely some hype behind it. I just like to stick to the more mainstream cryptos. Not to say you can't make money on it. Good luck if you're in it, my man. I just don't know enough about it. Like I said, there's over 3,000 cryptos out there. It's hard to keep up with all the ones that are newly being released to Coinbase. Just put 500 in Alchemy, but yeah, I'm invested in Doge, Ethereum, ADA, VeChain heavy. Is that all of them heavy or just VeChain? I like some VeChain, dude. I think VeChain, I was preaching that when, you know, VeChain was sitting at 9 cents, man. I thought VeChain was a very, very good play. Yeah, CoinMarketCap was showing at 1328, 1305 now, up 30% on a day. Wow. Big mover. Definitely something to look at, though. It's moving for a reason, man. I mean, it's doing better than ADA did today. I mean, that's something, man. Doge and VeChain heavy, 60K in Doge, 50K in VeChain. Yeah, dude, I'll treat you well, man. What was your price target for VeChain you got in that? I was preaching VeChain at 9 cents, man. I thought that was going to be 100% play. Easy on your money. Currently sitting at 13 cents on VeChain, up 2% on the day. So that's all that longing going back into the market. Let's see if we can get that break over that 14-day moving average. So IBK, you got in at 6 cents on VeChain. What I typically like to do, man, this is not financial advice at all, my friend. If I get up 100% on a play, I like to look to take some profits, man. The old Matt would just sell 100%, take 100% profit, but you know, you can definitely, you know, take your original investment out and let the profits ride, man, because you can't lose at that point. But I think you still got some room to grow on VeChain, and I'm happy you're making some tennies off of that, my friend. BTHO. Yep, works close with VeChain, man. Let's see where it's at right now. Up 1% on the day, 13 cents. That thing's probably going to move with VeChain, man. It's one of the two tokens that power the supply chain focused blockchain, VeChain. So, yep, it's going to move directly with VeChain, man. So, yeah, if you're invested in VeChain, I like to be more diversified. I'd personally just invest in VeChain, and then, you know, that could make some moves, though. Definitely. When VeChain starts popping. Oh, I got you. Waiting for Doge to hit 60 cents to take my initial investment out. Really, really hope Elon Musk and Mark have plans for Doge, especially after getting Doge devs to upgrade the project this year. I'm not so keen on Mark, though. When you come out and you say, hey, I only own $494 worth of Doge, but the Mavericks own some, you know, so, but you believe it's the greatest cryptocurrency on the planet. I don't know, man. I don't know how I feel about that. Of course, Elon's the man. Never knock him. I'm just saying the way Mark Cuban approached it, like, it kind of came off a little negative. Like, you're saying Dogecoin is the best cryptocurrency out there, but hindsight, I only have $494 invested in it personally. You know, he's a smart man. I mean, the Mavericks probably have a ton of Doge, and people aren't just reporting that, you know. But we'll see what happens, my man. But it's always good to take some profits, dude. Definitely. I mean, we saw Doge run to 74. And I didn't take profits. I wrote it all. I was buying at 56, man. I bought quite a bit at 56, and that was the night of SNL because I thought it was gonna bounce pretty good right there, and it never came back, man. But same thing happened the first time it ran up to 50 cents. I think it was 47 was the high there, and a lot of people bought. And man, when the streams were really popping, I mean, you had hundreds of people in here asking, "Hey, is Doge going back to 50?" Because I just put in a lot, and I kept telling them just dollar cost average down, do your thing. So when everything's good, it's always good to take profits, man. I think you'll see quite significant moves for crypto the rest of this cycle, but I'm starting to feel like it's not gonna last till Christmas. Like I think I'm gonna be looking to take some profits before then, and that's just my personal opinion at this point in time. We'll see how the rest of the year plays out. Nobody has a crystal ball. It's just I'm gathering sentiment throughout the market. Trust me, guys, I grind throughout the day trying to get sentiment gathered because it's very important when you're trading crypto to have sentiment on the market. And what I'm gathering is people are expecting a pretty decent jump on crypto this week. So we'll see what happens, guys. We'll see what happens. Yeah, it's up 30%, Pablo. Definitely, man. From what I've saw on Alchemy Pay so far, without me researching the coin, the project, and all that stuff, it's been making some people some money, man. And it's been popping really decent when it does pop. I wouldn't personally buy after this 30% gain today, especially not knowing enough about it. But when it dips, it from what I've seen, it tends to pop out shortly after. So that's a good point, Thomas Harris. Mark believes or he wouldn't accept it for the merchandise. 100% correct, man. I think the Mavericks own quite a bit of Doge. And I think the media just twisted that to say, Mark Cuban, a billionaire, he only owns 494 Doge. You know, make a big story out of the thing. It's just like, I didn't see him come back out and say, well, hey, the Mavericks actually own a lot of Doge, you know. That'd have been really cool to see him do that, but never happened. But nonetheless, the man, the myth, Elon Musk has been extremely quiet. Really quiet. So a tweet here would absolutely send the market flying, I think. So IBK, the high will come before Christmas, hopefully in a month. That's the talks I'm hearing, dude. End of September, man. I just want to be completely honest with y'all. I'm hearing big talks end of September. I don't know what's going to happen. I'm going to be following it very, very closely. Toward the end of September is, people expecting crypto to make some, I'm talking some major moves this month. And whether that holds true or not, we'll see. But, it's just a couple weeks away. So we saw in the past 2 weeks, ADA ran 100%, and we're calling for, over 100%, and we're calling for $5 for this cycle. And, that would be, another 2 weeks if we could run 100%, just saying, that'd put us mid-September right there. So we need to keep a close eye on everything. And remember, at this point, we want to sell it as close toward the top as we can with everything. So I am expecting major moves on Doge, Ethereum, ADA, Bitcoin, the whole market right now. It's looking bullish, guys. We've been sitting through dips for 3 months, and I know a lot of people are like worried about it because they're worried it's going to fall out, rug pull, whatever you want to call it. But I think we have the green light for a little bit, and that can completely change with the House bill tomorrow. You could see some pullbacks, but I'm just telling you what I'm seeing in the market. People are expecting major moves coming up here shortly. IBK says I don't want to take too much profits even at 70 because it may go as high as 1.3 this year. Yep, I was hearing a lot of talks about $1.30, man. I was. I think Elon is going to time it and encode the Doge message. I'm sure Matt Wallace will cover that significantly. Dogecoin hidden message. Ooh, Rick, Elon maybe after the House decision tomorrow. Yeah, I'm going to be watching that, man. I'm going to try to stream it with my earpods on at work tomorrow and just hear what they're talking about, seeing what's going on that end of the spectrum. We got Doge above 32 though while I was continuously talking. ADA back above 281. Quite possibly it could be heading back to 282.15. Might hit some traffic there. Man, I'd be really happy to see ADA break 285 when we wake up in the morning. We got Bitcoin trading at 50,118. Ethereum still holding up nice around 33.5. Getting some buying pressure, stepping back in. The whales are going to play with it right here, before it absolutely breaks. But it's setting up for a technical breakout, guys. From what I'm seeing on the charts, yeah, we had some pullback, but look at the run up you had today. That was some really nice price action. That's some FOMO and whales and a combination of everything. But it looks like it's setting up for what could be a nice little breakout come shortly, guys. So I think 2020 Tech is gonna live it. Awesome. Well, that's even better. I'll be listening to him. I will be tuning into him. Thomas Harris says, been in since January, haven't taken any profits. I won't miss profits if it hits 70 cents again. I hear you, my man. And there'll be a point in time this year, guys. I'm just letting everybody know I will be taking some profits. I missed out the last cycle, and, you could have bought back in and made so much more money. And at the time, I got caught up in the hype, guys. Honestly did. I thought the bull cycle would continue for a good part of the year. Nobody could have predicted 70% pullback. That was some major pullback, guys. We get some price action here. 282 on ADA. Bitcoin got that break. It got the break. Hold on. Where did it hit after that break? 50,436. I bet you shorts are coming in. Let's see what happens. Let me check well trades. Sushi. Whoa. What's going on over here? 36 seconds ago, a lot of Bitcoin longs. You got a lot of Bitcoin longs right here. The whales must be trading so fast on this thing. Long it real quick, let it run up, short it. Let's see if the short reports start rolling in here. Yeah, I'm seeing that, Rick. Lots of longs, man. I'm not seeing any reports of shorting right now. Ethereum long. FIL shorted. Sushi swap long. Nothing coming in yet. check out ADA real quick. See what's going on over there. Same 2 5-minute candles back to back. And it seems like crypto's following Bitcoin again. All the altcoins are following Bitcoin, looks like. Let's see Doge. A little confirmation of that. 2 5-minute candles back to back after this almost little mini cup and handle on the 5-minute chart. 3207, having some trouble breaking that 3225 right here. Level of resistance, and then after that, 3275 is your next major level of resistance on Doge. So if you get that break, you can easily swing trade, play that, see what goes on. But I'm holding for the most part all my long-term stuff. Ethereum looking very nice, guys. I don't even have no lines popped. Let's see if we can pop some lines. That's all the levels of resistance. We're currently over them. We can pop some lines right here. $35.64. Might catch a little traffic at somewhere around the 34.5 range, but I'm gonna leave that next major level of resistance up right there, because after that, we back to 4,000 real quick. I think you'll catch some traffic at 37.45. Let me pop that. Leave that within that range. So now we got some more levels of support and resistance, possibly. So big green candles on Ethereum off the 4 hour, looking pretty good, guys. Yes, Doge looking pretty good right here. You got support right here at 32, and you have the 14-day moving average right here. I think it's gonna continue upwards. Just my opinion. It would take a lot of shorting and selling to drop us below that level right here in the short term. So I think you get a bounce right there. ADA might you get that 14 going underneath that 50-day moving average. You haven't seen that for quite some time. But when it does, it doesn't stay long. You see that? You'll come underneath that white line, and then you'll start popping. Stay above it for a little while. Come underneath, and then boom, you really start getting some volume pumping in. So let's see what happens, guys. We're getting that crossing. Could possibly trade underneath for, maybe an hour or two, and then look for another pop-up. So what's up, Garth? How you doing, man? ADA XRP. BTE, have you ever looked at StormX? My top holdings are ADA XRP, StormX, Card Starter, Charlie 3, Matic. I like some Matic, my friend. I can tell you that right offhand. XRP, dude, I think you're looking at some major gains on XRP after the lawsuit, just being quite honest with you. It's trying to get back to 130 range right now. Let me change one thing on here real quick. Give me 1 second. One second. Yeah, not too much in the StormX, man. Really not. XRP and ADA is one of my biggest plays, dude. It's one of my top 3 cryptos for sure, man. We've been talking about ADA for a long time on here, and we're happy to see what it's doing, dude, on the heels of smart contracts. So, but dude, XRP really intrigues me. It really does. I know a lot of people stay away from it, but XRP has an army behind it, dude. And it's not going anywhere. It's going to come out the lawsuit. They might have to pay some fines and stuff like that. But I think you're going to be looking at significantly higher XRP prices at the end of this bull run. Just my opinion, man. But that's some definitely solid plays that you're in. I haven't looked into StormX as much as I should have, but from what I'm hearing, StormX is a very good crypto to be in, man. Plus, if you got Matic is tied in with the Ethereum platform now, so yes, I'm very bullish on Matic, dude. Really am. I think you'll see some nice returns on your money in your Matic play as well. So, 8 to 5 minute bull flag. Let's see what happens here, guys. Playing with that 14-day moving average right now. Davies, man, if you're new, please consider hitting that subscribe button, man. Join the community. We're a small, tight family, dude. Love to have you, man. We typically stream, right now it's 7 nights a week, 9 p.m. Central. But crypto staying hot, yeah, it's probably gonna be 7 nights a week for quite some time. We're gonna hit this cycle pretty hard, my friends. Yeah, dude. No, I think you have some solid plays there, my friend. Thank you very much, dude. Greatly appreciate it. So I might have to pop some more levels right here on ADA. You got pretty strong support at 276 right here. And then you have some right after that, 274. So you'll hit some channels if you bleed off for the rest of the night. 274. Y'all guys know what happens when I turn off the live stream. Everything will go to the moon. Really hoping for that. Really am. I'm surprised when I clicked the live button tonight. We saw Bitcoin cross 50K for the first time since May. That was super cool to see, man. I'm glad we hopped on the stream tonight. And I actually caught that firsthand for the first time in like 4 months, seeing that level on Bitcoin. So definitely cool. We got Dogecoin hanging around that level of resistance. Let's pop that up real quick on the charts. But real quick recap right here on the top part of ADA, 285.27 is your major break point, but you're gonna hit some traffic around 283. So if we can continue to climb and get that RSI heating up again, start popping out the bands, you can easily make some new all-time highs tonight, guys. I don't think ADA's done. I wouldn't sleep good telling new investors, hey, look at ADA, because we've been talking about it since 85 cents to $1, and it's had real significant run up since then. So let's pull up some Doge real quick. Check out some lines on Doge. So right now we got that channel. I hate how it does that. That's the only downside to Webull. 32 cents for that level. We're getting that retest of that resistance right here. See, we got rejected 32.24. That's right where we got that line popped. So a break over that would be pretty nice, guys. And remember, a significant break would be a 5-minute candle opening and closing over that level of resistance, because you can have false breaks. See right here, you briefly popped above it, the next candle you ran up, but then you got knocked down, and you see what happens when you get those false indicators right here. You have to pay attention to it. So you bled off a little bit and then worked your way back up to retest it, and that's why you want to see a 5-minute candle open and close above a level of resistance to signify a break in the trend. At that point, you could have some room to run on Doge. You got 32.75, your next major level of resistance. And if crypto keeps doing the same thing, I think you're going to get that retest. So all I know is that accumulating over the long term has been the most productive strategy, especially for tax reasons. Davies, man, you're 100% correct. That is the best way to do it. You can absolutely get wrecked trying to swing trade, man, especially for a lot of unexperienced traders. You can absolutely get wrecked. So yes, especially with the tax man. The tax man is coming regardless for you one day, but it's better if you hold long term, my man. We got Bulldog Trading buying Ethereum at $2. Dude was in it from the beginning, man. $2. Wow. That's crazy, man. What's up, Matt? What's up, Jonathan Johnson? JJ. Yep. Davies, there you go, man. Cold storage wallets, if you're going to hold long term, dude, that's your safest bet. You can put them in a fire safe box and lock that thing away with the passcodes, man, and not have to worry about anything happening to your crypto, man. Yeah, dude, Bulldog, man, I hopped on right when I clicked the live button. Bitcoin got the test of 50K, man. I wasn't even going to be on this long. And we watched it break it, man, and it was just having a good time, man. Thanks for tuning in with me. Greatly appreciate it, man. Thank you, Robert Dean. Ooh, back to the good old days, Thomas Harris, dude. The Robin Hood maintenance days. That's when you know crypto's starting to make some moves, man. Robin Hood got to update real quick. So yeah, guys, break over 32, 20, 24. You could easily hop back in that channel and maybe see a retest of 32.75 if everything upholds. I want to touch base on some stocks for tomorrow. We're gonna be looking at HUT. You know how we do over here. Every weekend we see crypto, Bitcoin absolutely run. You can make some pretty nice tennies off these crypto stocks. So of course I'm waking up 4 a.m. pre-market. I'm gonna be watching these very closely. HUT's looking pretty decent. Ran, 7% regular market hours and 4% right after that. So about 10-11% on Friday. Let's see what Riot did. One of them didn't run as much. I think it was Riot. I can't recall. Riot ran 7, about almost 8%. Let's check Mar. I guess it was Riot then. I didn't think Riot had ran 8%, 7.5%, but yeah, Riot ran the least of the three. It'd be very interesting to see what all three of these do. You could pretty much pick one of the three, but sometimes like HUT will do better than the rest of the two. It just depends. So like I might actually get into HUT tomorrow, or even Riot. I mean, Riot tends to move a good 10% when Bitcoin's making them pretty major moves. You can, I think Riot looks the best technical setup. We'll see tomorrow night when we report, but I think it might be Riot for me, guys. Y'all do your own research, do your own DD. I think Riot might be the quick play tomorrow, and that's not to take away from HUT or Mar. I think I know a couple of us are holding HUT. I think HUT would absolutely do its thing tomorrow. I think it was 2 weeks ago. Some of us had bought HUT. I bought Riot. Riot did go up 10%, but HUT absolutely killed it. Went 25%. So pick or choose your battle. But I like what Riot looks like right here. I think you'll get that break over 35.28 tomorrow at some point, possibly. If crypto can hold up, I want to see Bitcoin above 50K, and you could potentially ride back to 42 tomorrow. We'll see what happens. I'm expecting a pretty good pop for Riot, Mar, and HUT tomorrow. So Rick, man, if you're still holding your HUT, dude, you're sitting nice, man. I think it's gonna absolutely pop tomorrow. I mean, at least go get that retest of $7.37, and it should break that, man. I think you'll start retesting some upper levels up here around $8.30. It should move quite significant tomorrow, guys. So wake up pre-market. If you're not in, that's your best case scenario to get in on these quick swing trades on these plays. And good luck with y'all on y'all stock trading tomorrow, guys. But that's pretty much what I got tonight, guys. I got work super early, plus I'm waking up pre-market to buy some Riot blockchain. I'll post a play in the Discord tomorrow morning. Let you know what price I got in at, and I'll let you know what I'm getting out. But tomorrow I think we'll make some pretty nice tendies on these flips. So one last time, we got Dogecoin 3210, Ethereum 34, holding up pretty well. Ethereum, Bitcoin above 50K. It's always a good sign. And let's check out ADA real quick. And got ADA 281. So guys, let's hope we continue this upward momentum. Let's hope we get some decent news out the house tomorrow on the infrastructure bill. I mean, things could heat up really quick this week, guys. It really can. I'm excited about it. I think this week is going to be a major week for crypto and for stocks too. So let's see what happens, guys. We've been bleeding off on the stock market for a week. So I'd like to see everything just really move in the right direction. Everybody make some tendies, and we'll report back to y'all tomorrow. But hey, thank y'all very much for tuning in. Greatly appreciate it. All the new subscribers, thank y'all very much. We'll be live streaming tomorrow night at 9 p.m. Central Standard Time. So make sure to tune in for that. And we'll review the plays for Riot, Mar, and Hut tomorrow night. And we'll have an update on the crypto. So thank y'all very much for tuning in. And I'll see y'all tomorrow night. Peace.